Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft connection loss. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and type control panel, and now after that click network and sharing center, and then go to the first one. Here we'll find internet access type internet, and then click here internet. Maybe we'll find here Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter, just click on it and then click properties, and after that once you're here click protocol internet version 4 and then click properties. Now click used following the DNS server and type those numbers here, click OK and close it, and now close it again. And after that let's move to the next step. Click here, type task manager, and now just maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then click memory. Now just right click and all the applications, all the tasks that takes your memory, like Google Chrome, as you see here, click end task. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.